Warfare, Pathfinder Adventures, Grounded. Genres: video game, survival platform, Microsoft Windows, Xbox One, Xbox Series X/S. Pillars of Eternity, Roman 2, Deadfire. Genres: video game, role-playing game platform, PC, Linux, Mac OS, Nintendo Switch, PlayStation 4. Pillars of Eternity. Pillars of Eternity. Tyranny. Genres: video game, role-playing platform, Microsoft Windows, OS X, Linux. Skyforge. Project Eternity. Genres: video game, role-playing video game, Wasteland 2. Dungeon Siege Roman 3. Dungeon Siege Roman 3. Alpha Protocol. Neverwinter Nights 2, Mask of the Betrayer. Neverwinter Nights 2, Mask of the Betrayer. Neverwinter Nights 2. The Outer Worlds. The Outer Worlds. Fallout New Vegas. Fallout New Vegas.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and like and comment down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.